So as I mentioned in my unboxing of the Nexus 6, there is something a little strange about the one that I got from AT&T. It has a tramp stamp on the back, it has AT&T's boot logo and sound and ringtone, and also it happens to be locked to AT&T. Now, normally with a Nexus device, none of those things are apparent. The Sprint one, the T-Mobile one, none of those have that, even for the Nexus 6. But on the AT&T version, for some weird reason, they do. So you could click the link below and check out my how to root video to show you how to get rid of some of the things like the boot animation, etc. Good luck with the tramp stamp on the back, electrical tape, case. But if you want to get rid of that unlock code and maybe save some money when you travel overseas instead of roaming, you can use a prepaid SIM, which is way cheaper, and I highly recommend doing that. Or maybe you just want to unlock the device so that when you sell it, it's worth a little bit more money. That's what I'm going to show you in this video today. Okay, so first you need to find your IMEI. This is basically the serial number that is particular to your phone, and it's what matches the unlock code in the database for us to unlock this particular phone. So you're going to pull down notification, go to settings, scroll down to about phone, tap on status, and look for the IMEI. Don't use mine, it's not going to do you any good. You need to find yours. Once you find it, write it down. Then you're going to take that IMEI, and you can either click here to be taken to our Unlock My Phone section where we can unlock a bunch of different phones besides just this one, or you can just use this form right here. You're going to select your carrier, in this case AT&T, the model name is Nexus 6, and you're going to put in your IMEI in here with no spaces or dashes. Then click Buy Now. It'll take you to PayPal where you can pay. It does cost $29.95, but keep in mind that if you ever use the device overseas, you're going to save way more than that when trying to use a prepaid SIM over there as opposed to roaming on AT&T's network, which will cost a fortune. And then also, even if you're just selling the phone, generally speaking, unlocking it is going to gain more value in it than the $29.95. You can sell it for more than that once you unlock it. After about a day, sometimes up to 3 days to get the code back, you'll get an email that'll have the unlock code in it. So when you do, then we're going to turn off our phone. You're going to take a SIM card tool, if you have one, or a paperclip or anything else that might work, and push it into this top thing here to pop out the SIM card. And then we need to put in an unauthorized SIM. What that means is basically one that's not AT&T in this case, and be sure to check to see if it's a GSM carrier or a CDMA. If you need more info on that, click the link below. But here I have a T-Mobile one, so I'm going to pop that in. I know that'll work. And then that's going to go in, and we're going to turn the device on. And then once it turns on, it's going to automatically ask you for the SIM network unlock pin. You're going to put in the code that you just received via email, and then hit unlock. And if it says successful, you're all set. And then when you pull down the notification shade, you should see your new carrier's name next to the signal strength. That means the unlocked worked. You're good to go. I happen to have LTE, it's showing, but not all carriers, it's going to automatically grab the settings required for the internet. So if you don't see LTE or H for HSPA or any other data signal, what you need to do is tap on the gear icon to go to settings, tap on more, tap on cellular networks, tap on access point names, tap the plus at the top here to add a new one, and then go to my site and click on this link here to be taken to the internet settings section. Pick the country that you're in, then pick the carrier that you're using, and you're going to put into the fields that are appropriate in that APN section on the phone each of this information, making sure to get it correct. When all of that's in, you're going to tap save, and you're going to tap the green dot next to the APN you just added, wait a little bit, and you should eventually see the data signal pop up in the status bar. There you go, your device is unlocked. If that worked out for you and you appreciate it, please thumbs up or share the video. It's always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching.